I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by Bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop for living on a Bitcoin standard. Sign up and grab gift cards for eSIMs, gaming, e-commerce, your travel needs, food, and much more, and you can buy them all with Bitcoin and Lightning. Sign up today and use code BTC Sessions 10 for some special perks.
No, listen, man, fucking anybody who's sending Ben a mean tweet because he got the waitress on, what the fuck is wrong with you? I mean, like, dude, listen, we as Bitcoiners have a problem. The problem is that most of us are autistic. And when you're autistic, you always let the perfect be the enemy of the good enough. Getting the girl, who's serving you food to be on Wallet of Satoshi and receiving sats from all over the world is a fucking cool moment for her. And it's the beginning of her journey. It's not the end of her journey, right? And also, I think that we've all forgotten that cryptographic, like secret keeping, self-custody is a really complex skill set that we've all honed over years and years and years. And you have to take yourself back to the very beginning when you were a scared little bitch. Like, let's face it, your first Bitcoin transaction, you were probably like, oh man, I might lose all my money. And then you didn't know what the fuck was going to happen. And then when the transaction,
just rereading the address over and over and over again. Like, is it a capital G? Yeah. Okay. J4.
Exactly.
And
then when the transaction gets there, you go, oh shit, this Bitcoin thing is fucking real. This is fucking awesome. And that's the beginning of your journey, right? And like, we have basically done this stupid thing with self-custody where we treat people like, we treat self-custody like it's an intelligence test. And I'm guilty of this too. I'm as guilty as anybody. I thought I could shame and bully people into self-custody. I was wrong. I was wrong for doing that. That was stupid and ineffective. Self-custody is a skill, like driving a car. And if you shove a teenager in a car and you go, here's the brakes and here's the gas. All right, get on the fucking freeway, stupid. They're not going to learn how to drive the car. And the goal is to get them to drive the car. That's the goal. So like what Ben basically did when he gives the girl the Wallet of Satoshi address is he's basically telling her, here's the brake, here's the gas, here's kind of how roughly how a car works. I know you're in the middle of your shift. And if you want to like orange pill people and not be caught off guard, I carry these fucking things in the back of my wallet. This is NBK's business card. It's it's a Sats card, right? So you just carry these around, preload them with, $10, $20 worth of Bitcoin, and then just hand them out. It takes 1 second. It's like, oh, here, there's Bitcoin on here. There's instructions on the back. Boom. You don't have to do anything else.
Those things.